The new PlayStation VR 2, or PSVR 2 for short, is coming in next month and already available for pre-order. In this video, we'll be taking an in-depth look at the new features, design, and performance of the PSVR 2, as well as comparing it to the previous version to see how it stacks up. Before we dive into the details, let's first talk about what the PSVR 2 is and why it's important. The PSVR is a virtual reality headset that connects to your PlayStation console and allows you to experience virtual reality games and other immersive experiences. Virtual reality has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with media and entertainment. And the PSVR is one of the most popular and affordable options on the market. In addition to that, Sony revealed one major news in recent CES event. Not only that, one of the most exciting VR games, Beat Saber, is also coming on PSVR 2. New VR headset, new motion sensors, new gaming lineup. It seems like Sony has decided to dominate the VR industry. So now let's get into the details of the brand new PSVR 2. One of the most noticeable improvements is the new display, which features a high-resolution OLED panel with a 120Hz refresh rate. This is a significant upgrade from the previous version, which had a lower resolution and a lower refresh rate. The higher resolution and refresh rate make for a much clearer and smoother image, and you'll be able to see a lot more detail in your virtual worlds. Another new feature of the PSVR 2 is the updated controllers, which now feature haptic feedback and improved tracking. The haptic feedback allows you to feel more immersed in your virtual experiences, as you'll be able to feel various sensations through the controllers. The improved tracking means that the controllers will be able to track your movements more accurately, which is important for a more realistic and immersive experience. In addition to the display and controllers, the PSVR 2 also includes new lens technology that helps to reduce the screen door effect and improve the overall image quality. The screen door effect refers to the visible lines between pixels on the display, which can be distracting and take away from the immersion of the experience. The new lens technology helps to reduce this effect, resulting in a clearer and more realistic image. In terms of design, PSVR 2 looks very similar to the previous version, but with a few key differences. The headset is now lighter and more comfortable to wear, thanks to the redesigned headband and padding. The controllers have also been redesigned to be more ergonomic and comfortable to hold. These improvements make it easier to wear the headset for extended periods of time, which is important for longer gaming sessions or immersive experiences. So far, the performance of the PSVR 2 has been impressive. The high-resolution display and improved tracking make for a more immersive experience, and the haptic feedback adds a new level of realism to virtual experiences. The lens technology also helps to reduce the screen door effect and improve the overall image quality. Additionally, the headset is now more comfortable to wear, which is important for extended gaming sessions. When compared to the previous version, the PSVR 2 is a significant improvement in almost every aspect. The higher resolution display, improved controllers, and now lens technology all contribute to a more immersive and realistic virtual reality experience. If you're a fan of virtual reality gaming and you have a PlayStation console, then the PSVR 2 is definitely worth considering. So what do you think of the PSVR 2? Are you excited to try it out? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and be sure to like and subscribe for more content.